Mallikarjun Kharge has announced that Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will retain his Raebareli seat, while his sister and party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will contest her first election from Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi, who won both Raebareli and Wayanad seats in the previous Lok Sabha elections, will vacate Wayanad as per electoral laws. This decision followed discussions among top leaders including Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, which convened at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence to finalize their electoral strategy. Now, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's candidacy in Wayanad marks her formal entry into electoral politics, succeeding Rahul Gandhi's choice to retain the family's stronghold in Raebareli. On this, Rahul Gandhi said that Wayanad will now get 2 MPs. He added that this was a tough decision for him, but he supports his sister fully. Priyanka Gandhi will take care of Wayanad's seat, while I will be a frequent visitor to Wayanad, is what he stated. My colleague Anand Singh still with us on the broadcast. Anand, if you could take our viewers through the developments that are coming in as far as this strategy that the Congress has opted for, as far as that is concerned. Of course, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra now to make her poll debut, and take our viewers through all the details that are coming in on that front.
Sorry, look, first of all, we would like to remind our viewers that how Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been very crucial to hold the election campaigns since 1999, when her mother Sonia Gandhi made her electoral debut from the seat of Amethi. And then we also saw that how in 2004, when her brother Rahul Gandhi made entry into the politics from the seat of Amethi, that Sonia Gandhi vacated after his entrance, and then she opted for the Raebareli seat. Then Priyanka Gandhi was very crucial on these 2 seats, the family pocket borough of the Gandhi family, and she was seen campaigning extensively for her family members. And now, with her growing stature in the party after she entered into the politics officially in January 2019, when she was made the in charge for the Eastern Uttar Pradesh, she had been campaigning extensively across the country for the party, and she has been also taking several of the decisions. And even in 2022 Uttar Pradesh elections, we saw how her prominence rose in the party when she gave 40% candidature to the women candidates in the Uttar Pradesh, and she also gave the slogan of "Ladki Hoon Lad Sakti Hu." So, looking at the rise of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the party, this decision was taken by Mallikarjun Kharge, CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra herself, and party general secretary KC Venugopal, who all were present in the meeting yesterday at the residence of Kharge. So it was decided that Priyanka Gandhi must make a political debut from the seat of Wayanad, that Rahul Gandhi will be vacating after opting for the Raebareli seat, as it was the Wayanad seat that gave immense love and trust to Rahul Gandhi when he lost from the seat of Amethi in 2019 into the hands of BJP's Smriti Irani. So it was a very tough choice for him to make, as it was said by Rahul Gandhi himself, that the people of Wayanad have given him immense love and trust when he was feeling low and he was out of he lost elections in Amethi. So looking at the factor, the way in which the people of Wayanad stood by him, so it was decided that one of the Gandhi family member must represent the seat of Wayanad, so that it gives a clear message that the Gandhi family, which described them as their own family members, as Rahul Gandhi in number of occasions has mentioned that in Wayanad. So it was decided that Priyanka Gandhi will be going there. And even earlier we have seen how Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was also a frequent visitor to Wayanad, the seat of Wayanad, when Rahul Gandhi used to go there. Even when his membership was cancelled and when his membership was brought back after the Supreme Court ruling last year, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has always accompanied Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad, and she has always campaigned
all right,
for him.
absolutely. Anand, stay on with us. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Dr. Avadesh Upadhyay, BJP spokesperson. So, a very good morning to you, and thank you so much for speaking to us on News X. Now, of course, Rahul Gandhi's big conundrum has come to an end. He's, of course, retained Raebareli, is what we're learning. And subsequently, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is now expected to make her poll debut from Wayanad. How does the BJP view all of these developments?
देखिए, मैं तो यही कहना चाहूंगा कि देखिए, सबसे बड़ा लोकतांत्रिक देश हमारा भारत देश है, ठीक है, और यहाँ पर हर किसी को अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार है, पहली बात। दूसरी बात ये है, जैसे कि वायनाड की बात चल रही है इस समय, राहुल गांधी जी अपनी बहन का नाम रख रहे हैं, भाई वहाँ और भी तो कार्यकर्ता होंगे कांग्रेस के, कि एक ही परिवार के आदमी को आगे लेके चलेंगे साथ में। वैसे तो ये कहते हैं परिवारवाद से हम अलग चल रहे हैं, ठीक है, अब अलग हम राजनीति करने वाले हैं, हम देश को बचाने वाले हैं, खटाखट पैसे देने वाले हैं। अब यही राहुल गांधी हैं जो अपनी बहन का नॉमिनेशन कर रहे हैं वहां से। अरे भाई कांग्रेस में और भी तो प्रतिभाशाली नेता हैं, प्रतिभाशाली कार्यकर्ता हैं, उनको आगे क्यों नहीं करते राहुल गांधी जी? तो ये कहीं ना कहीं कांग्रेस पार्टी एक परिवार की पार्टी बनकर रह गई है, जहां गांधी परिवार का संविधान चलता है, उसके अलावा कोई संविधान नहीं चलता, जिसकी वजह से आपने देखा किस तरह से पूरा कुनबा इनका बिखरा जा रहा है, हर तरफ से हर कोने में इनका कुनबा बिखर रहा है। फिर कहते हैं कि बीजेपी हमारे लोगों को ले रही है, बीजेपी में हमारे लोग जा रहे हैं। अरे भाई जब आप लोगों को बढ़ने के चांस नहीं देंगे आगे, ठीक है, हर जो भी कार्यकर्ता होता है उसकी एक चाहत होती है, उसकी एक उसका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है राजनीति में आने का। अगर आप उसको वो पूरा नहीं करने देंगे तो भाई वो पार्टी में रहकर क्या करेगा, अचार डालेगा क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी में? तो कांग्रेस टूटेगी।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.